Here's a pair of Beats Studio Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. FYI, I am using a Samsung Galaxy S20 here. So the first thing you got to do is go to your Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. So on this phone here, I'm just going to go swipe up. I'm going to go to settings here. And under connections, that's where my Bluetooth is. So I'm going to tap on connections. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on here. Now tap on Bluetooth, and now under available devices it's going to search for devices that are in pairing mode. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put these headphones in pairing mode now. So they're currently off. There's only one power button here on one side. Let me press and hold this button. Let me go ahead and let it turn on, and then once you turn it on, if it's in pairing mode, all the lights will blink. Okay, all 5 lights. Okay, I'm not getting that probably because it's connected to another device of mine. So let me press and hold that power button again. I'm going to keep on holding till all the lights start blinking now. There we go, all the lights are blinking. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's see if it finds it here. Then let me go ahead and click scan again. Oh, what do you know? Beats Studio Pro right there. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. And then we're going to go ahead and pair. Now you can see Beats Studio Pro connected for calls and audio. And also when you're here, if you tap on the settings right there, tap on that settings, you have other settings in here as well. Okay, calls, audio, mine should be turned on. You can disconnect or unpair as well. All right, so pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck guys. Oh, and if you have issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these as well. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these, all right? Good luck, guys.